everybody, my name is Sam. Welcome back to my channel where I create website tutorials and do some product reviews as well. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to create a GIF background for your website. This is how my website looked prior to applying this method. And I have a full tutorial on how to build this e-commerce website, and I will leave the link in the description below. But at the end of this video, you will learn how to go from this to something more like this. And I want to take a chance to ask everybody to please like this video and leave any comments on this particular video or any questions related to web design. And please subscribe to my channel. This really encourages me to continue to produce nice content for all my viewers and other YouTubers. And it really helps the algorithm for YouTube to promote my videos. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Let's get started over here. I'm on a website called Pixabay, where they offer royalty-free images and videos of all kinds that you can use for your personal or professional work. An alternative to Pixabay is another website called Pexels, which offers similar images and videos, all royalty-free. So in my case, in another video, I created an e-commerce website for my drone and camera business, and I want to replace this background over here with a GIF. The reason why we're going to be using a GIF is that it is easier than hosting and uploading a video in some cases. So let's go back to Pixabay, and I'm going to search flying drone, and over here I'm going to be sure to select videos. So as you can see, there's a huge selection of royalty-free videos to download and use freely, and when you hover over one, you'll see a preview of what the GIF is going to look like. So this one looks pretty cool, so I'm going to go ahead and click it, and I'm going to go here to download. Now if I just click the download button, it'll download a default size that Pixabay deemed default for me. But if I click on this little arrow here, there's a drop-down menu offering different sizes and corresponding size. For a GIF's purpose, I'm going to select a 1280 by 720, which is sufficient for quality, and click on download. And it's going to ask me to save it in a folder, and we can just call this drone footage. And I'm going to click on save. Now we need to go, which I have in another tab, to a website called easygif.com. And on this website you can do many different things, and here I'm going to click on video to GIF. So it brings me to this page, and I'm going to click right away here to choose file to upload my drone footage video that I just downloaded. I'm going to click on open, and now that we can see the file has been properly selected, I'm going to click on upload video. We're going to give this a moment to upload. It should not take too much time. And once uploaded, we can see that our GIF is being played over here. Now there's all kinds of settings to play around with. We can see that our original GIF is 20 seconds long. It's at MP4. Sorry, not the GIF, but this is literally the MP4 file. And we're going to create a GIF using a start and end time. We can keep this at, let's say, 15 seconds. Original size, and frame rate is important for smoothness of the GIF. And we can click here and select a different frame rate. I like to use 20. And let's go ahead and click on convert to GIF. This is going to be loading over here. And we'll give it a moment. And here we can see that our GIF has been created. However, there's a file size that is way too large. It's at 30 megabytes. So we advise you to optimize this GIF. We can click on optimize this GIF. And there's a few methods to do this. There's a default lossy GIF method. I don't need to go into too much detail. It's just a way of reducing the static noises, and it really reduces the size by 20 to 30%. So we're going to keep it at the default values. I'm going to click on optimize GIF. And after a few moments, the optimized GIF is going to appear over here. And it's going to tell us as well by how much we saved, starting from the original video size. So we can see here we had already dropped 43%, and now our GIF file is about 17 megabytes. And now all that's left to do is to simply right click on the GIF, save image as, and now we can call this drone footage GIF. And I'm going to click on save. Now that we have our GIF saved, we can go ahead and view our website. And to edit this section, we're going to go into edit with Elementor. And once we're here, you can scroll down to the section that we want to edit. Keep in mind that I have a full tutorial on how to build this e-commerce website. I will leave a link in the description. And this is the section you want to edit, so I'm going to click on Edit Section. I'm going to go on the left to Style. And I'm going to choose an image to replace this drone picture that I have. So I'm going to click on Choose Image. I'm going to go to Upload Files. And I'm going to go and find my GIF that I just downloaded. Perfect. I'm going to click on Select. And we can see that our GIF has uploaded. However, there is a overlay that we had set up for our image, and it's causing the background to be slightly faded. So we can leave it like this, or I can go on the left hand side to background overlay. And as you can see, we have a white overlay with an opacity of 0.68. So I can play around with the slider. On one extreme, it'll really white out to the GIF, but at the other extreme, we will have the full GIF. So we could do something around here, 0.4, 0.45. And of course, we have to click on update once we finish. And if I want to view the page in a new tab, this is what it looks like. We have our GIF playing in the background, and really this can be done for any other video. So there will be a final adjustment needed. If we go back to our Elementor and we go back to our section, we can see that there's a position setting for our GIF. And if we go to our website, we can see that we're missing out on some of the landscape and we're getting mostly the sky. So let's go back to Elementor, and for position, we can play around with different settings, and there's one called center. And if we click on update and go back to our website and click on refresh, we can see that we have changed the orientation of the GIF and it's looking quite beautiful like this. And there you have it. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I wanted to share one last final tip. You can search for background videos to turn into GIFs. You can get really funky with your searches and perhaps do background noise, and you can get perhaps some digital images that can easily convert to GIFs. Feel free to play around with these different websites or to use videos of your own. Until next time, thank you. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel, as well as leave any comments, questions for this video, or perhaps ideas for any future videos. Until next time.